you should trade this very profitable ICT model, which is ICT Sun model. Hello, welcome to the channel. Before you skip this video, because I know a lot of you skip the video right after I start speaking, stay and I will show you the model and you will get to backtest and trade this model. So first, let's listen to this ICT speech. He explained the model himself in his Twitter or X space, and then I backtest it and I show you how to trade it and backtest it for yourself.
You're going to be looking for an hourly or basically 60-minute swing high or swing low that is likely to move to. It's in close proximity to it. It's been going up for the last couple hours or so, and it's just getting real close to an obvious 60-minute high. If it's not doing that, go down to a 15-minute time frame. Look for a swing high that it might be gravitating to. If it's gravitating towards that 15-minute high, and real important, here's the main filter, here's the filter, folks, okay? This is the fucking part that you're not going to do, and when you fucking lose, you're going to swear up and down that it fucking failed. On a 1 or 5 minute chart, if you're bullish, it must show a swing low taken and then reject and go higher. Whatever that time frame is that has the swing low that it pierces and goes below, as soon as it does that, you have to wait for one candle to be up close. Once it does that, then and only then do you drop down to the 30-second chart and you wait for a fair value gap to form, and then you buy it. The best one is the first, but you can take continuous buys on a 30-second every time it creates a fair value gap or trades to a down closed candle. You treat it like a bullish order block.
So now let's backtest the model he just explained. So this is a 15-minute chart, and here you can see there is a buy side liquidity and price was going up towards it. So let's go in 1 minute chart and see if there is a sell stop liquidity run. So that red line is the 15-minute buy stop liquidity. So as price expanded up in this 1 minute chart, you can see there is this 1 minute liquidity run in sell side here, and then price expanded up and created that BC fair value gap, and then price touched it, which is your entry. You enter trade there, putting your stop loss behind the fair value gap and targeting the 50-minute buy stop liquidity. So this is a winning trade. Now back in the 15-minute chart again, look at this sell stop liquidity. Here price expanded down and it was reaching to this sell stop liquidity. Now let's go in 1 minute chart again to see if there is any buy stop liquidity run and there is any entry for that trade. So in the 1 minute chart, there is this buy stop liquidity run and there is this fair value gap. Price touches it and that's your entry, putting your stop loss above the fair value gap. So here your stop loss will be taken and price didn't reach your target, but I personally wouldn't call this a losing trade. If you have taken partials off, you will have so much profit. By the way, this is Nasdaq and you can check it out by yourself too. I backtested every one of these 50 minutes high and lows, and all of them are in this video. So check it out and subscribe if you found this helpful.